Precision engineering ensures the Atlas is mission-ready, capable of handling the heaviest loads across any terrain.
Batch 7 logged.
Verification successful on the steel plate markings.
All data matches the master schedule.
Steel to B, aluminum to A. All clear.
Confirmed. No cross-contamination.
Material readiness confirmed for both batches. We are good to go.
Agreed. Initiating the manufacturing sequence.
The Airbus A400M Atlas demands high precision. These high tensile steel plates are
The high-powered robotic plasma torch precisely slices through the thick steel, beginning the rough shaping of the The Airbus A400M cargo rollers must be perfectly balanced. A high-speed lathe precisely shaves off final assembly of the A400M Atlas floor segments. Workers integrate the wiring harnesses, connecting the restraint mechanisms for digital.
Torque and gear function confirmed.
Vibration levels are nominal. The system is stable.
The installation looks structurally sound.
Yes, the alignment is perfect.
We can sign off on this phase.
Inspection complete. All modules cleared for installation.
Okay, easy now. Watch the clearance on the left.
Got it.
Got it. Bring it forward another foot. Watch the alignment on the left side. Looks good from here. Secure it. Moving the next module in.
The vertical silver aluminum side walls that house the hydraulic restraint pins are bolted securely along the edges of the newly installed.
The Airbus A400M Atlas winch must be structurally integrated. Engineers use alignment pins.
The centerline measurement is off by 2 millimeters here.
Adjust the forward guide accordingly. Check the tolerances on the forward winch assembly. The overlay shows a 0.1 millimeter deviation.
Confirmed. It's within the acceptable margin for certification.
The thermal scan confirms the effectiveness of the cooling structure. The uniform blue and green readings indicate the motor is...
Here is the complete certification package, including
All integration and test results. The torque logs and electronic tests.
All right, keep pushing.
Almost there. Watch the alignment.
Winch engaged. Keep the pressure steady on the ramp.
Inspection complete on this section. All right, let's start the washdown.